Hi guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I'm not in my flat, I'm out in nature. Exactly, I'm here in the Black Forest in Germany, in a small city called Vorbach. And behind me you will see the river Murg. And today I like to show you how you can make a picture of a light spotted church by night, that you will see a beautiful church. And you will see also a beautiful sky with a lot of stars. Normally, if you take a picture of the light spotted church, you will see no stars in your image. And if you take a beautiful sky, you will see also a very light and bright church. And this will ruin your complete picture. And also, I'm very sorry about the noisy background here. The river is very loud, but I hope you can understand me. And now let's go ahead. Last year I was in Schwanger at Neuschwanstein Castle and thought it would be nice to take a picture of it at night. But the castle is flooded at night and I got frustrated very quickly because I had either a beautiful castle or a beautiful sky in my pictures. Back then I didn't have any gradiated filters, and now here in the Black Forest I thought I had to test the whole thing again, now with the gradiated filters. Of course, the church is not as beautiful as the castle, but it's enough for the test and to show you how it works. Let's start with the material I use for my picture later, and then of course you need a tripod, otherwise you get shaky images because you make a long exposure. And additionally I prefer that you use also a remote switch, because it's very handy outside in the dark that you don't touch your camera, otherwise you get always shaky images. And then you need a gradiated filter, and I prefer the plug-in filters here because you are more flexible than with the round filters, because with the round filters the gradiated area will always start in the center, and sometimes you have a church in the lower edge and the upper edge, and with a gradiated plug-in filter you can change the gradiated area as you need it. And then make some test images inside, because it's always good to know where the gradiated area will start in your images later on, and outside in the dark it's very difficult to find the correct place. And I will do it here with a lovely sculpture in the back that I will show you my gradiated filters. And additionally I used also a clear night filter, and I have here a soft gradiated filter and a hard gradiated filter, and you will see the difference between one filter or two filter, and additionally with a clear night filter how the image inside will look. And also I will show you the same outside with a church. Camera settings are very simple. I choose the manual mode, focused manual, and of course I switched off the image stabilization because I did my pictures with the tripod, and my ISO was by 1600 and my exposure time was by 20 seconds and my aperture was by 1.8, and also I changed the Kelvin to 3200, and that's all, so we can go outside and take our images. Here again the comparison, the building is correctly exposed but the stars are hardly visible, and here the building is overexposed but the stars are clearly visible, and here the version with the filters. This looks much better, isn't it? Of course, this technique can be used in many ways at night. For example, if you want to reduce the light of a street lamp, or if you want to darken buildings or landscapes so that the stars are more visible. Of course, it's also possible to use a soft gradiated filter if you only want to darken a little bit, or you use only a very strong or dark filter, or you combine it like I do. There are no limits to your creativity and you can experiment a lot, which I personally enjoy very much. I hope you liked my tutorial, and if yes, please thumbs up, write me a comment and subscribe my channel. And if you like to see more tutorials outside of my flat, please let me know. And I think we will see us in my next tutorial. Ciao!